We have a problem within our business trying to get enough allied health professionals into our company. They're a scarce resource, they're a desired resource.
Without having great staff on board, we're not able to deliver on the contracts that we have. Without delivering on the contracts, we don't actually have a business. We are in a candidate short market within allied health. And for me, as the HR and recruitment specialist here, to be managing through Excel spreadsheets and my memory of who I'd been speaking to and where conversations were up to, we were really at a point where we have grown quite considerably and needed to make sure that we were keeping track of where we're up to and not missing out on great opportunities to bring people on board.
LiveHire has a unique proposition for us. It was one where people could join at any time, and we felt that that might give us some advantage, being able to access people. It also meant that people could update their information as their circumstances changed. That's particularly important in our business.
On looking at LiveHire initially, I was very wowed by the fact that it's quite a system that we can have a very big impact on, but also so can the candidate.
LiveHire solved the problem of us having one database source for all of our candidates. But within that, we've also been able to identify different groups. We've been able to search for different situations. We've been able to tag in ways that is specific to us.
And then also being able to access them quite quickly to be able to catch up on what conversation have I had or someone else in the team had with them, to then follow that through.
The reason that LiveHire has been successful at Viva has in a large part been due to the constant and consistent support we've had from LiveHire. And that's been both proactive and reactive.
We had a position become available that we needed a quick turnaround, so within 2 days we needed to supply someone to a site within Metro Melbourne. I did a search on LiveHire, I found a candidate that I'd spoken to 6 months before, was available around this time, gave her a call again, was able to lock her into the contract to start the next week. And that was all due to the way that she had been tagged and spoken to on a regular basis to understand what she was looking for, where she was at, and how it was going to help us.
I would recommend LiveHire, and it's because sourcing of applicants is a really important component of any business now moving forward. Being able to know who your candidates are, being able to search for them from as many sources as possible, being able to manage them all together within a pool of people that you can communicate with is really, really important.